You know what Parkinson takes that hardly anybody warns you about? Your voice. One day you're chatting away and people can hear you just fine. And the next day, somebody leans in and says, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" Or Carmen tells me I'm mumbling, and I'm thinking, mumbling? I thought I was practically shouting. And that's what we're talking about today. Why Parkinson's messes with your voice, the science behind it, what I've personally gone through, and the tools that actually help. And we have Carmen's corner, care partner corner again, to share what it's like from her side. Now, stick with me to the end because I've got a Bryce-ism for you that you're going to want to shout, not whisper.
Welcome to Living with Parkinson's. The good, the bad, and the reality. Real talk, real life, real community with Bryce Perry. Let's begin.
Well, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bryce, and this is Living with Parkinson's, the good, the bad, and the reality. Now, this channel is all about the real Parkinson's journey, the tough stuff, the funny stuff, and the stuff nobody likes to talk about. Now, if that sounds like something you need, then go ahead and subscribe and come along for the ride. Okay, so let's dig in. Here's the science behind this. Parkinson's happens because the brain loses dopamine cells. And dopamine isn't just about moving your arms and legs. It's about those tiny muscles in your face, your throat, and your chest, and all the stuff you need to speak. Now, when those muscles don't get the same signal, your vocal folds don't close as tightly, your breath support weakens, and your pitch shrinks. And that's why a lot of us get something called hypophonia, which is just a fancy word for your voice getting softer. Now, here's the kicker. You don't notice it yourself. Your brain thinks you're talking normally. So when somebody says, "Can you speak up?" it feels unfair because you're in your head, you're already speaking up. Add that to slower tongue and lip movement so your words start to blur together, and and then your breathing gets shallow. So you run out of air halfway through a sentence. It's not being lazy, it's not being shy. It's literally Parkinson's changing the way your body produces speech. Now, that's the science. Let me bring this down to real life. Early on, I didn't notice anything. I was giving presentations, I was leading meetings, and my voice was fine. But over time, little things started happening. I'd tell a story in a group and nobody would respond. And I'd think, well, maybe it wasn't funny. And then Carmen would lean over and whisper, "They didn't hear you." Hey, I knew I was funny, so it had to be that, right? Restaurants become tricky. I'd order food and the server would stare at me like they were trying to decode a secret message. And then they just turn to Carmen and say, what's he having?" Let me tell you, nothing makes you feel more invisible than having your wife order your burger for you. And don't even get me started on phone calls. I've told whole stories only to hear the other person go, "Hello, are you still there?" And I'm like, "Yes, I'm here. I just gave you the punchline." But to them, it was silence. And that was the moment I realized this wasn't just frustrating, it was shutting me out of connection. So, what can we do about it? Well, the very first thing is speech therapy. There's a program called LSVT Loud. It's basically boot camp for your voice. You practice speaking louder than feels normal, stretching your words, exaggerating everything. At first, I'll be honest with you, at first, it, oh my gosh, at first it just feels embarrassing. It's weird. It's strange. You feel silly. It's like you're auditioning for a cartoon. But guess what? It works. It retrains your brain to hear your volume correctly. It's huge. Second, daily practice. Now, this one's on us. Read out loud, sing in the car, scare the neighbors with your best Elvis impersonation. I've done that. It's not great, but I've done it. And here's where tech helps. The Voice Analyst app is one I've used. It shows you how loud you're speaking in real time. There's even a free version. Another one is Decibel X. It's basically a sound meter for your phone. It's like having a little coach in your pocket, and those things can help you every day. Here's the third thing you can do. Breathing and posture. Sit up straight, take deep breaths, and think of filling a balloon from the bottom up. Carmen always uses this one. She always says to me, use your diaphragm instead of your throat. And she's right. The sound is instantly stronger. And fourth, resources. If you want some structured support, check out LSVT Global or the Parkinson Voice Project. Both of them offer programs designed specifically for people like us. I'll put the links in the description so you can explore them for yourself, because I'm telling you, you need to get on this. Okay, now it's time. You know what? We introduced this last episode, asked you how you liked it, and resoundingly, everybody was saying they loved it. So it's now time for Carmen's Care Partner Corner. Okay, so this is what she'd say and what she said, what she told me to say. When Bryce's voice drops, it's not just tough on him, it's tough on me too, because I want to hear him and I don't want to miss what he's saying. Yes, I get frustrated when I have to ask him to repeat himself 3 times. Great. But I've learned to use cues instead. Instead of just saying what over and over, I'll say, use your diaphragm, not your throat. He knows exactly what I mean, and I can hear the difference immediately. So my tip for other care partners is this: find a gentle cue that you both understand. It saves frustration and it keeps the conversation going. Well, there you go. See, that's why I love Carmen's Care Partner Corner. She's always got the practical tips. And to be honest, she's always right. Usually right. No, she's always right. A lot of times right. I'm right once in a while. Anyway, here's the bottom line. Parkinson's might make your voice softer, but it doesn't have to silence you. Keep practicing, using the tools, and lean on your partner and anybody around you. And most importantly, keep speaking up, because your story deserves to be heard. And if you're watching right now, let's get the chat rolling. How many of you have been asked to repeat yourself this week? Drop a yes in the comments if you've had one, and let's see how many times you've done it. And let's see how common this is. Okay, you made it to the Bryce-ism. And here it is. With Parkinson's, your voice may fade, but oh man, let's try that again. With Parkinson's, your voice may fade, but your story deserves to be shouted from the rooftops. And it really does. You deserve it, and I need you to work on this. And if you're sitting here saying, "Whew, I hope my voice doesn't get that bad," start now. Don't wait till it's down the road. Don't wait till it starts getting soft. Do it now. I'm telling you, you'll thank me for this. And thanks for hanging out with me today. And I want you to share your own experience in the comments. I really do read every single one and reply to them. And if you want more support, more tools, and real connection, check out the Inner Circle community. The link's in the description. And I've got a big thing coming up. I've got a newly diagnosed program coming. And if that's something you're interested in, let me know in the comments. I'll be promoting it soon. And I want to get you in right off the bat. I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep showing up, keep being real, and you keep doing life today.